In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking for a reliable way to manage your finances, Zoho Books offers a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline the process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently navigate Zoho Books and set up a ledger that suits your business needs perfectly. So let's dive right in. First, we need to visit the Zoho Books website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Zoho Books. Once there, you'll be greeted with their homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to Zoho Books and will serve as your entry point into the world of online accounting and finance management. Next, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's usually in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have these handy. If you're not yet a registered user, you might need to create an account first. Zoho asks for a few basic details, but once that's sorted, you can sign in and proceed. After signing in, you will be directed to the homepage of Zoho Books. From here, you can access all the different sections and functions the platform has to offer. It's an organized and user-friendly interface, so even beginners should feel comfortable navigating through it. Now let's go over to the Reports section. This is where you'll find all your reporting tools, including the ledger option we're looking to create. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Reports tab and click on it. This will open up a new section with various reporting features. Here you can use the search bar to make finding specific reports easier. Simply type ledger into it, and it should bring up options related to ledgers. Once you see General Ledger, click on it. This will open up the General Ledger report for you to customize according to your needs. The General Ledger here allows you to view all your transactions, grouped by account, over a specified period. This tool provides invaluable insights into your financial activities, enabling better budgeting and financial planning. You can adjust the settings to tailor it to specific accounts or date ranges, ensuring the ledger reflects exactly what you need to see. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a ledger in Zoho Books. By following these simple steps, you've set yourself up to efficiently track and manage your finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of what Zoho Books has to offer for your business management needs.